Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Yogins who have the heart to apply their awareness to this heart jewel of the oral transmission will take their guru to be a Vajra life force and please him with the essential requisites, taking an oath of service through their 3 doors. He will introduce them to this trove of jewels, progressively liberating meanings from symbols. He will use the pure empowerment into the awareness of royal investiture to introduce them to instantaneous Buddhahood. Once they have acquired the substance of 100 happinesses, they will arrive at that very instant that is the end of time. This will be particularly obvious throughout the regions of the 10 directions, as they cut through their exaggerations and appreciations regarding self-luminescent awareness and are perfected in a dimension where there are no conceptions. We make up conceptions to define something that is not complex, while in the pure luminescence of our wisdom, the lack of clarity due to obfuscations made by limitations is removed. When symbols are conjoined with meanings, we do not apply definitions based on grammar. As with the heart essence of self-luminescent wisdom, we have clarity while we continue to be without conceptions. Just as the unchanging sky is forever, the great eternity of unchanging space is the origin of all things. Just as Vajrasattva is a god, we are perfected in a dominion that is not associated with meditation. In keeping with the way of pleasure in magical delights, self-luminosity manifests, transforming into our 9 desires. Like the crows on the ships at sea, we circle round, then rise up into our own dominion. As it is with the gemstone, whatever the mighty sage presents is the way that it is. As it is with a crown jewel, unsought self-luminescence abides in its own dominion. Like a treasure of wondrous jewels, we remain luminous, undisturbed by expansion and contraction. Like the light that shines on a dominion, we cut through conceptions about unpolluted self-luminescence. Like the crown of a king, we see but do not touch the dominion of the sky. Like a mirror that illuminates the apparent world, we are perfected in a dominion where differences are obvious. Like those who live on the pathways of the Kalabinka bird, wherever we travel, our dominion is not something we think about. Like the taste of a delightful girl, it is entirely obvious, but we do not experience its savor. Like the fundament of golden jewels, our dominion may illuminate anything and move anywhere. It is not associated with material things. Like the core that subsumes the oceans, there are a variety of doors that are identical as one.